Come on, now we will start with the next practical, that is the volume of the cube using vernier caliper. Now the apparatus required is a vernier caliper and the cube is which is given to you. Fine, you know that what is a vernier caliper? It is an instrument with a resolution 0.01 or the least count 0.01. How we find out the least count? You know, this is a main scale, this is a vernier scale, upper jaws, lower jaws, and this is a depth pointer. How you define least count? It is a distance between consecutive division on main scale upon total number of division on vernier. You can see that between 0 to 1 in main scale there are total number of division as it is 10. Fine, you can see that it is 10 division. So what is the distance between consecutive division? It is 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Total number of division on vernier scale, they are 10. So that would be the least count, that is 0.01 centimeter. Now you have given a cube. You must keep a cube in such a way that the pit portion, you can see the pit portion is nowhere else, only this part. So this pit portion should be visible to our eyes. Fine. So it should be kept in this position. Now you can consider this as length, this as breadth, and this as height. Since it is a cube, you know that the length, breadth and height would be same. Fine. So suppose I need to find out the length. So I can do this way also. So this will give you the length portion. Fine. This distance. Fine. And that distance if I note down. So main scale reading first. So main scale reading, you can see this 0 which is our reference. Fine. That comes between 1 point. This is between 1.9 and 2. So I must write it is 1.9. Minimum division you must write. This is 1.9. That is your main scale reading. And the vernier scale reading you have to find in such a way that initially also I explained you. Suppose there are 10 division. Which division of the vernier scale exactly go parallel with the main scale? Suppose there are 10 divisions. Fine. So you need to find which division go exactly parallel. You can see that these are the main scale divisions. But if I say that this 5, as for example, this 5th division on the main and vernier scale, you can see that exactly coincide, go parallelly. So what would be the reading? Coinciding division. It should be 5. So similarly, we will find out which is the coinciding division here. So when you make down, so this division coinciding comes out to be, that is a 3rd division. Fine. See, you have to see in such a way you can do it parallelly, otherwise there is an uncertainty. Fine. So this would be the 3rd division. Fine. So we will write here 3. So this would be ultimately 3 into 0.01, that is 0.03. So the required reading comes out to be 1.3. Fine. Even the breadth will be same, since it is a, you know that it is a suppose I say this is an height now. Fine. I take this as height. So same reading you will get it, since see again it is between 1.9 to 9 and 2. 0 coincides between 1.9 and 2. So we will take 1.9. Understood? Now the coinciding division. See, when you do it properly, you will get the same. See here we will get the 3rd division. Exactly go parallel with the main scale. 3rd division. So this is 3. So this becomes 3 into 0.01. That is 0.03. So this is again 1.93. Fine. So see, similarly you can find, since it is a cube, so I can write this way also. That is 3 into 0.01, that is 0.03. So this becomes 1.93. Since it is a cube, you can write. Otherwise, you have to find out if it is a cuboid, and you know that how the shape of the cuboid is. Fine. It would be like this also. Fine. In the shape of cuboid. So you need to find out length, breadth and then height. So it would be differ. Fine. So here you can find out the length, breadth and height, since it is a cube. So you will get the same reading. So if you need to find out the volume, so volume is what? 1 length into breadth into height. So 1.93 into 1.93 into 1.93. And see the value comes out to be, if we calculate it, 1.93 into 1.93 into 1.93. This value comes out to be 7.189. Fine. So it comes out to be 7.189. but since least count is 0.01, so I can write approximately it is 7.19 centimeter cube. What value we got? 7.189. So since least count is 0.01, so we need to write 7.19 centimeter cube. I hope you understand. Thank you.